Today I'm going to show you the export pipe network functionality, where we can export pipe networks to solids or lines and blocks. These pipes that I'm going to export also have property set information on them, which will be exported with the solids. When I start the functionality, I start by selecting one pipe from each network that I want to export. In the dialog, I can also select what to export. I'm going to start by 3D solids. I can select what layer to export the objects on, and I can also select what to do with the property set on the objects. In this case, I'm going to copy all the properties, but I'm also going to set a property. I'm going to set the export date. I'm going to set that to 28th of January. I'm going to export the created objects to a new drawing, and I'm going to erase the created objects, the solids in this case, from the current drawing. And then I'm going to place these on my desktop, and I'm going to call this export. Click OK. And the drawing is created. Inside the drawing, we can see that each solid has a property set on top of it, and we can also see that we have the export date. If I now realize that I've forgotten something, or if I want to add to this drawing, I can come back to my drawing because I have service pipes here as well. If I start the functionality again, select one pipe from the network. The dialog has the same settings. The only thing it doesn't remember is the export date, so I need to add that one again. And then I need to select what drawing to export to. And then down here I have the append option, which means it's going to add to this file. And now if I open the same file, we can see that the service pipes have been appended to this file. I can also use this functionality to export 2D lines and blocks. So I'll start the function again, select my pipe networks, and instead select the 2D lines and blocks. We're going to export that one. We're going to export the property set along with it again, but I need to add my date. And then I'm going to select not to add this to my the original export, but I'm going to create a export to. Click OK. And in this file, we can see that we have exported polylines and blocks for the structures. These have no elevation, so they are a 2D file, but the information is still here as property set. Note that this functionality can also be used in script. In that case, you can use the version of the command called nv pipe network 2dwg, as you can read in the tooltip.